Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We are starting lecture number 67, Bio section, and today's title is Kingdom Fungi. So far, we have completed 3 sections of this chapter, Biological Classification. Today, we will focus on Kingdom Fungi. So see, I have divided the video into 2 parts. Today in part 1, we will only study the members in Kingdom Fungi. All the names mentioned in NCERT textbook. There are 4 groups in Kingdom Fungi. Okay, so most of the time students focus on the features of these groups. Okay, but if you just check the old NEET papers, this was one question asked from the topic. This question was purely on only examples. Nothing was asked about the features of any of the groups, okay, or general features of Kingdom Fungi. So it is important for you to by heart the examples and every name should be at your fingertips. Okay, so this is the reason today we will only focus on by hearting the names in this kingdom. So these are the 4 different categories: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. The number indicates the number of examples you will have to by heart. So in the first case, there are 3 names: Mucor, Rhizopus, and Albugo. And see, the common name is equally important. So you will have to by heart both the names. Rhizopus is also called bread mold. This image shows Mucor. Then in Ascomycetes, 7 names: Penicillium, Saccharomyces, Aspergillus. This is Aspergillus. Claviceps, Neurospora, Morels, and Truffles. Then Basidiomycetes, Agaricus, which is called mushroom. This is mushroom. Astilago, smut fungus, Puccinia, rust fungus, and Deuteromycetes, 3 names: Alternaria, Coletotrichum, and Trichoderma. So by heart the names of 4 categories and each example in each category. Now test yourself. Rhizopus it is bread mold, A3. A3. Astilago. How I remember is ast is not rust. Okay, so the other name is smut. So Astilago is smut fungus. Puccinia is rust fungus. And Agaricus is mushroom. So A3 is in 1 and 3. Then B is 2 common here, Astilago smut fungus. And C is 4, Puccinia rust fungus. So option 1 is the right answer. Okay, so see, this was the scientific name and this is the common name, and both the names you need to by heart. Now test yourself. Phycomycetes. 3 examples are Mucor, then the bread mold is called Rhizopus, and last one is Albugo. Mucor, Rhizopus, Albugo. Then Ascomycetes. The first name is Penicillium. Next is Saccharomyces. It is unicellular, okay? It is an exception. Rest of the fungus, they are multicellular. So Saccharomyces is yeast and yeast are unicellular. Then third name is Aspergillus. Fourth name is Claviceps. Fifth is Neurospora. Sixth, Morels and Truffles. Morels, Truffles. Basidiomycetes, 3 names. So 3 scientific names and 3 common name. So the first one will be, it is Agaricus, which is mushroom. Then second one is Astilago, which is smut fungus. And Puccinia is rust fungus. And then last one, Deuteromycetes, Alternaria, Coletotrichum, and Trichoderma. Alternaria, Coletotrichum, Trichoderma. Keep revising these names. So this short video is only to help you focus only on the names. So we are done with part 1 today. It is small video, but always focus on topics from exam point of view. Okay, even 4 marks will boost your rank. So work on this. Don't overload yourself with both the things. First, always read all the examples, by heart them. Okay, so somewhere in your mind you create space for each and every category. So tomorrow when we learn their features, it will be easy to relate with the examples. Okay, so tomorrow, by tomorrow I mean on Monday, I will upload this lecture, part 2 lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great weekend.